I will show you how to blur the background in Premiere Pro. Start off by selecting your clip and then click on the Object Mask tool. Now head over to the preview and then select your object that you want to isolate from the background. Premiere will now automatically create a mask for the object. Now go to Effects Controls and then drag the unassigned mask to the opacity section. This will isolate the object from the background, allowing us to blur it. Now press on the track forward and back button to track the object. Once the tracking is finished, you need to duplicate the clip. So hold Alt or Option on Mac and then drag the layer up on track. With the bottom layer selected, go to Effects Controls and remove the object mask to reveal the background. Now head over to Effects and then search Gaussian Blur and apply the effect to the bottom video layer. Inside Effects Controls, you can now increase the blur amount to your liking and even add chromatic aberration, which gives us this color distortion. And if you want, you can also adjust the blur thickness by disabling uniform blur and changing the value. And you have now blurred the background. To save time editing, check out my ultimate preset pack, link in the description.